Welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to fit our aftermarket headlights to the Ford Ranger. So let's get started. Start by removing the push pins on the top panel above the grille. Then unclip the top panel and remove. There's two 10mm bolts on top of the grille, undo them, and then two 10mm bolts just below the grille, undo them as well. Then unclip the grille connected to the panel carefully. There's then four push pins which connect the bumper to the body of the car. Remove them. And then an 8mm bolt behind the arch lining, connecting the bumper to the arch on one side and on the other as well. Remove both of these. There's four 10mm bolts underneath the bumper connecting it to the body of the car. Remove these as well. And then unclip the bumper from the body of the car. Just enough to give you access to the electrical connections behind the bumper and the two fog lights. Although this is not necessary, we removed this panel here, which was two 10mm bolts and also an electrical connector behind it. There's then two 10mm bolts holding the headlight in and a pin you'll need to unscrew on top. A Torx bolt down the side of the headlight and also a 10mm bolt just below the headlight. You then should be able to remove the headlight and unclip all the electrical connections behind it. Then fit the bulb which is provided with the headlight kit. Then connect the new headlight back together and slide it into place. Do the same with the other side. And to refit, do the whole thing in reverse. So there's the headlights all fitted, literally a plug and play, straight fitment, and they look really good, especially with the indicator sweeping light as well. If you are interested in buying a set of these, click the link in the description box below. Hopefully this video has helped you fit the headlights. Thanks for watching the video.